Alright guys, so today we're going to be going winter camping with a buddy of mine over in Illinois. We're going to be heading to the Garden of the Gods. It's a really rainy day and the truck is packed full of stuff. I'm bringing my girlfriend, so we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, we're on the interstate. We just got out of Bloomington, Indiana. We are heading towards Illinois. It's lovely weather. It's supposed to be like this for the rest of the day, but tomorrow's supposed to be clear. It's just going to be cold. But we've got a diesel heater and some other gear, so we should be fine. Unfortunately, I did not have the camera settings correct and it didn't capture any audio, and this is actually a time lapse, so we really just got the camp set up and then we headed to Walmart to pick up some food. Alright, we're working out the Temu. This thing shut off. Oh no, actually the fire went inside. That's interesting. I'm not sure how this thing's supposed to work, but we're getting there. We're making noodles and then making hamburgers. And these two are smarting off. Alright guys, just wanted to show you what we're dealing with here. It's still pouring. You would think that eventually it would stop raining, but it doesn't seem like it's going to be. Honestly, the top oak awning has been a lifesaver. We got the Beaver diesel heater running. It's probably like low 40s right now, so it's pretty chilly. I've got my friend's tent right here, and then we're gonna go up into the rooftop tent. I've got it funneled up in there. We'll check back with you here in a few minutes. Alright guys, we went to bed and it was still raining, and we woke up with a bunch of snow. Unfortunately, the girls really aren't up for this kind of camping, so we're going to be packing up and heading on out. I'm going to try and get a couple shots before we leave, but it was a fun evening. Got some good food in, drove really far for one night, but that's how it goes. Well, alright guys, we're all packed up. The rooftop tent and the awning were awful with this ice. Like, legitimately, I wasn't sure if I was going to get it all together. I had to bust ice off of this thing. It's going to be a project drying this thing back out when I get home. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do it, but it's going to need something serious. It's beautiful out here. It's kind of a shame that it just got really cold and the girls didn't quite want to deal with the cold. I think it was supposed to get down to like the high 20s, and it ended up dropping down to like single digits. So it is what it is. We're gonna start heading back home. Got a 4-hour drive back to Indiana.